TikTok Shop doesn't reward production quality. It rewards belief. Belief that the product is real, the problem is real, the creator feels human. AI can help you scale TikTok Shop content only if it doesn't look like AI. So, in this video, I will show you how to make AI videos for TikTok Shop that actually boost sales, not views, including formats, psychology, and the exact mistakes killing most AI sellers. Step 1. Why most AI TikTok Shop videos fail. Most sellers use AI like this: polished avatars, robotic voices, AI demo energy. TikTok users instantly scroll, right? Key truth: TikTok Shop is impulse driven, not trust driven. People buy because it feels casual, it feels real, it feels discovered, not sold. AI must imitate UGC, not ad. Now, TikTok Shop AI formats that convert. High converting AI formats are problem first POV videos, like I didn't think this would work, but hands-only demonstrations, before after micro stories, silent demo plus captions, looped curiosity clips. Low converting formats are talking AI avatars, top 5 reasons videos, or over edited sales scripts. Hack: if it looks like a creator testing something, it converts. Now, the AI workflow that scales TikTok Shop. Simple stack: AI video generator, product visuals, AI voice, casual, imperfect, mobile style editing, vertical or raw. Workflow: generate short product visuals, add slightly flawed voice, edit like a phone video, add captions with curiosity, not selling. Rule: if it feels like marketing, redo it. Hook engineering for TikTok Shop AI videos. This is the psychology now. A bad hook would be, this product changed my life. A good hook could be, nobody talks about this problem. I almost returned this. Watch what happens when. Tip: never show the product clearly in the first 2 seconds. Let curiosity pull them. Okay? Now, AI plus TikTok algorithm optimization. TikTok Shop favors watch time, loops in saves. So, cut mid sentence, end before resolution, repeat visual motion. All right? So, AI won't replace creators in TikTok Shop, but creators who use AI will replace those who don't. So, make sure to choose the right AI for your content on TikTok. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.